Hello dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to show you how to modify your quiz in Microsoft Excel which we made last time. Okay, so this is quiz sheet and this is data sheet. This sheet name is quiz and this sheet name is data. Okay, so now on the data sheet I have educational institution name and the class, date, student ID and student name. Okay, so here are the questions, their options and the right answer, like right option here in these cells. Okay, so I'm going to tell you how to protect this sheet with the password so that nobody can do any kind of changes in it. Okay, so now let's first come to the quiz sheet. Here, if you remember, I have written equals data A5. Data is the sheet name, so whatever is there on the data sheet in cell A5, that will come here. Okay, and it is here already, like you can see the one is here on the quiz sheet. So this is equals data sign of exclamation B5, this is C5 and this is D5 and this is E5 and this is F5. Okay, and answers are, these cells are blank, students are going to write the answers. So all you have to do is select them and drag them, and all of the questions are here now. So look at this sheet. This is A1, this is A2, this is A3, this is D3 and this is F3. Okay, I want all these things, I want to pick them and write them here. So equals data, because data is the sheet name, and A1. Okay, then equals data and A2 equals data A3. This one was D3. ID and for name equals data and name is in cell F3. Okay, the name is here. So now I have to protect this sheet. Right click, format cells and then lock them all. Okay, all the cells are locked now. Now unlock these cells where student is supposed to write the correct options. Right click, format cells and unlock them. Then come to the review tab, protect sheet, write any password and select unlocked cells only. Okay, write the same password again. Now you see I can do changes here, but I cannot do any kind of changes elsewhere on this sheet. So now come to the data. Here too you need to select them all, format cells and lock them all, and I don't want anyone to make any changes. Okay, so hide the answers. Answers are hidden. Now protect this sheet. Select unlocked cells and select locked cells, both of them are unchecked. Okay, any password and the same password again. Okay, now this sheet is protected. Nobody can change this, nobody can see the right answers, and here student is going to write the correct options only. Okay, he cannot change rest of the sheet. So this is how you can protect your sheet and make this quiz perfectly. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. If you still had any questions or wanted the modification you like, just let me know in comments. Thanks. Bye for now.